Hi everyone, this is Gabo Vlogs, the Filipino actor based in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Ang kadagan gawa natin reaction video, ang Dreaman compilation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ay, sino yung guy? Sino yung guy? Ay, sino kaya yung guy? Oh my God! Oh my God! Ay, may bago na? Music video ito. Ay, si Kobe Brown. Ay, si Kobe Brown. Very Kobe Brown. Diba? Hindi pinakita. Oh my God! Pero ang jacket parang Emma, no? Same ng jacket kay Emma, yung first meet nila, no? Parehas kay Emma. Kung hindi, alam mo kung hindi ito si, what do you call this, si Eman, o si Kobe Brown, tapos ginamit nila ang jacket ni Eman, naku, for sure si Eman talaga ang kalungki ni Jillian. Sa totoo lang. Diba? Ay, hindi si Kobe Brown. Hindi si Kobe Brown. Sabi kasi ang pinuportray niya dito si Eman, kaso si Eman wala lang eh. Para sa jacket ni Eman. Hindi, this is not Kobe Brown. This is not Kobe Brown. Dapat sexy. Hindi talaga si Kobe Brown to, man. Hindi talaga si Kobe Brown to. Sure talaga ako. Alam, ang ganda ng kanta niya. Ladies and gentlemen. Ganda ng boses niya dito, ha? Ganda ng boses niya dito. Ganda ni Jill, no? Ay, hello. Atake. Grabe si Jillian. Jillian Ward never disappoints. Grabe siya, nagwawala na talaga siya. Sorry. Nagwawala na talaga siya. Sa totoo lang. Together, you're my angel. You're really angel. You are baby, you're my angel. Ay, Chares. Okay. Ano to, Jill? Wako sa rescheduled. Rescheduled nga, oo. Ay, wala pala siyang Barbie doll talaga. Ano kayang reaction ni Eman for Chares? May reaction ba ang Emma natin? Saan dalahin? Oh, ay ang Bengkay. Ayan na naman tayo. Ay,
caught the attention of fans as she once again shows her expensive and glowing look. The Kapuso star effortlessly serves classy, vibes while enjoying a relaxing moment in her newest post.
Oh my damn, what an absolutely mind-blowing surprise. Just a couple of days of blissful silence and boom. Here comes yet another jaw-dropping endorsement with Bench TM, hot on the heels of Jillian Ward's epic cell phone campaign. Talk about some serious relationship goals that could make anyone swoon. Their playful banter is so adorably cute, it's enough to make even the toughest fan's heart melt into a puddle. Honestly, it feels like we're caught in a whirlwind of killing moments, building up the excitement and sending fans into a total frenzy with every single interaction. What on earth could possibly
Every
top
single
this?
interaction.
And just when you think
Di mo
it can't get
kaya.
any more
Charis.
adorable, here
Ganun
comes
ba talaga
Ian
dapat?
Bacosa Pacquiao. Swooping back online. I mean, come on.
Come
Can you
on.
even
Charis.
handle the cuteness? And just when you think it can't get any sweeter,
Tara,
Ryan jumps
jogging.
in, absolutely
Niyaya
gushing
pa
about
nga.
her excitement for Eamon's upcoming fight.
Nagkayayaan pa nga
Seriously,
for
how
today's
freaking
video.
sweet is that?
Diba? Anyways. Ay, ano to? Pak, ladies and gentlemen, kay Emma ng lahat yan. Ay, ang gwapo ng mga bagets. Ano si Jillian? Ay, hello. Okay. In the head of time. Tsaka every day that we do. Ay, ano to? Kailan to? Ganun ba talaga dapat, ma'am?
Biglang nawala ang video? Usap-usapan ngayon si Eman Bacosa Pacquiao
Bakit?
dahil sa viral TikTok repost niya. May cryptic message na, I can't
Ano?
fight a guy who you want. At dito na nagsimula ang intriga.
Okay.
May pinatatamaan daw? Pero wait, napansin ng fans,
Na ano?
may TikTok video daw na biglang nawala?
Wala naman, nawala.
Parehong
Ay, anong
excited
latest?
sina Jillian at David sa kanilang team.
Ay, bakit David? Ganda talaga ni
Jillian
Jillian.
Okay.
Ay, cutie. Bagets pa siya dito.
1-year-old lang po ako dyan.
Grabe, 1-year-old. Ang laki niya siya. 1-year-old pa lang siya dyan.
Baby pa po talaga dyan.
Totoo ba?
Baby pa lang ako. Super like ko nang kinukulit yung mama ko na
One-year-old pala siya dyan.
Tapos gusto ko talagang nag-audition, nag-VTR. So, ayan. Parang 1-year-old pa lang ako actually. 1-year-old or 2 years old pa lang ako. Nagko-commercials na ako kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga maging artista. So, ayan. Kaya happy-happy ako dyan na pinipicturean ako. Okay. Hindi ako yan guys actually. Yes! Kapatid ko po yan. Yung sumunod sa akin and laging nako-confuse yung mga tao kasi sobra kaming magkamuka nung ganyang age ko din po. So, ano yun yung dalawa kong younger siblings. So, abangan nyo na lang, baka mag-artista rin ang mga kapatid ko. Malay nyo naman. At pare-pareho lang ang mga mukha namin. So, ayun, baka po nalito kayo. Pero, that's so sweet. Matutuwa siya pag nakita niya yung interview. Oh, wow. Ayan naman po, sumali ako ng Little Miss Philippines nung 4 years old ako.
So, sa Itbulaga talaga siya na-discover, right? Anyways, it is all for today's video. This is Kipo Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye!